So in this video, we are given a quadratic function and we are required to find the axis of symmetry. Well, the axis of symmetry of a quadratic function is actually the point at which the quadratic function curves either upward or downward. Okay, so that one will be discussed later. So the axis of symmetry of a quadratic function is given by x is equal to minus b over 2a. All right, so now it is also the same thing as the average of the x-intercept, or the average of the root of the quadratic function, which can be written as x1 plus x2 over 2. So if the root is known, but since we don't know the root, now the question is, how do we plug in minus b over 2a? You should recall that the general quadratic equation or function is given by ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So in that case, if we relate it with this, we have what x squared plus 2x minus 2 basically is equal to 0. So the coefficient of x squared here is 1. So this implies that a is equal to 1, b in this case correspond to 2, and c correspond to minus 2. So the axis of symmetry, so therefore the axis of symmetry will now be minus b, that is minus 2 over 2 into bracket a, which is 1. So that give us minus 2 over 2, and that will give us minus 1. So it implies that the quadratic curve curves upward or downward at x is equal to minus 1. What I'm trying to show is, if you have a quadratic curve like this, I'm just using this as an illustration. So the point at which it curves, let's assume that this is x is equal to 1. All right, so this is the axis of symmetry. All right, so thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.